One time I say, one of my family member, I'm not calling by the name. One of my family member have a fight with her son. So after she have a fight with her son now, she claim her son take a pad cover and lick her up on her foot. So she call the police for the police then come. My dear child, I write this on Jefferson Avenue in Brooklyn. I not forget even when the police them come and say night that come down, just start to fall. And me I tell her say rain look like it about to fall, you know. Because me hear thunder roll. And so me hear thunder roll. Thunder just a roll, you know. And I say no man, it could be a big storm. But then she and her son have a fight and she call police. And the police then come. And the police say, Mom, what's the matter? And she said to the police, say, Officer, my son take a pad cover, you see, and give me one ras lick on my foot. The policeman said, excuse me, what did you say? She has speak patois. She said, my son, you take a pad cover and hit me on my leg. So the policeman said, really? So, did it hurt your foot? She said, yes, officer, take a look and look down at my foot. So the officer put on the flashlight and take a look at her foot and say, oh my, you really hurt, you know, you need an ambulance. I think I should call the ambulance for you because you're very hurt. So at the same time now, the officer said, look, I want to see the second foot to see how badly, because it looks really bad, it's in a bad condition. Let me see the next one that it didn't hit you on. So she put out the next one now that he didn't hit her on, and when the officer realized, he couldn't believe when he see, you know. When he shined the flashlight and realized, he must go back to his car and take another flashlight. And come back and double it to 2 flashlights. And put the flashlight on her leg and realize the two of them are the same size. When the police realized the woman fat and overweight and her leg, them are the 2 sizes and her foot them big. Me say the woman girl foot them big, she want to come talk about me. The girl foot them big like a Godzilla. It come like she have Godzilla DNA in her some sister. She need to go on Ancestries and the internet and try find out if she have Godzilla. Some DNA of Godzilla in her blood. The girl foot them big and swell up, you know, naturally without nobody beat them pan them. Me not say mine no big, but they not catch that size yet. Can we get the DNA too, you know, but not as much. Yeah. So when they don't know the girl foot swell up, the policeman say, but good God, oh my God, it must be something raw or some voodoo or something going on here. Because both of your legs are the same and they did not hit you on the other one. So the police them tell us, and we look for the boy and try and lock him up. The police never even bother to lock up the boy when the police left. After the police the next side of the foot, the police didn't want to waste him time no more. He couldn't believe when I see, you know, when end up in a Dunkin' Donuts, he end up and buy 6 donuts. And still I tell the next officer friend, oh, we run into a woman, we say her son beat her up on her foot. And all the woman resemble Godzilla. Boy, I'm me fi tell you. When you put an aisle boot, you see, her 2 foot them just turn to the side. It come like an old boat. We lose the paddle on the side where you know, wobble on the side where you hold and wobble the boat. And it just lean up on the side. Boy, it just look like a wrecker ready to come pull with the 2 boat my foot, you know. A wrecker. Them should have a license out there. And when some people overweight and they put on some boot and the poor boot a cry. The boot just lean up on the left. The next one gone on the right. And the boot is crying for mercy. And the weight of the body and the pound them just pushing on the poor like a skinny eel. And the boot is just crying for mercy. Enough time I walk and see enough woman I walk like them a queue. They look like them a queue, them a walk like them foot a queue. Them a put on the boot to the whole of weight and them body can't, some of the boot them not good. One time I never let a weight on, you know. And I see this pretty boot in man and my friend go buy the boot. And believe me, it was $200 boot. To me that's a lot of money. And I say me try on the boot, you know. And by the time I reach Brooklyn in the night, I come and say me try on the boot again. And walk in the mirror and see how me looking at it and try a couple of outfits with it. But I put on the boot, me a pop up, and the whole of the heel just broke right into. Me have to go back there, we go back there, they want to help me, you know. Me have to call police on them Ross and decide to me now left with my receipt on the day before. And the police tell them to give me something else. Yes, at that of the story.